What is a resource exhaustion attack? A resource exhaustion is a type of an attack which overwhelms a target web server such that the genuine users are unable to get access to the web services meant for them. Now let's take an example of a very large European bank, a customer of ours who faced a similar issue. But before we get into the details of the attack, let's take a look at what a normal request looks like. Now, typically there would be two entities, a genuine user wanting to access certain web services and a web server that hosts either a web application or a critical asset of your organization. Now, the genuine user sends a complete request and the web server in return sends a complete response. Now, in case of an abnormal request, we would have a malicious user or an attacker in this case. Now, the hacker sends small packets of the request at a very slow rate. The rate would be so slow that it will send the next byte of information right before the server times out, and it will continue to do so, but it will never send a complete request. Now, when this happens, eventually all the connection pools in the server gets used up, causing it to overload and the genuine user not being able to access any services. This is when they will think, should I move to a cloud provider to mitigate such an issue? Well, if you have a NetScaler, you don't need to invest in any other solution. Now in this case, the customer already had a NetScaler front-ending their web application. NetScaler ADCs are intelligent enough to understand such attacks and mitigate the same very easily, so the genuine users can access the web services without depending on any external vendor.